So what is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel, and if you're also one of the guys who are using MIUI 12 on their devices, on their Xiaomi devices, I'm also using MIUI 12 and I have three themes to show you which are one of the great themes available for MIUI 12 supported devices. Which are those themes and how you can apply them? These themes are actually available in China Beta ROM. Let me show you all these themes. These three themes I have already downloaded. These themes are actually available in China Beta ROM theme store, and if you have these kind of themes in theme store, you can go and download them. But I don't think so you will find these kind of themes. Like, as you can see, the name of this theme looks like something different, so I don't think so you'll be able to search. I'll make a backup, then I'll upload the MTZ file. You can go and download that file, and how to apply the third-party themes, I'll provide you the link in the description for everything. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's move on to the themes. Okay guys, let's start up with the first theme. This is the first theme in my list, and as you can see from the home screen, the theme looks damn cool. The wallpaper, like this kind of finish, and this is the kind of a dolphin, the new clock widget. And if you talk about the status bar icons, these looks damn cool. Your network icon, your Wi-Fi icon, and your battery icon, everything looks good. And also all the icons are perfectly themed. Almost every icon is perfectly themed here. If you talk about all other icons, these icons are looking very much impressive. No icon is there which is not themed, which some icons are fully supported, like this phone, notes and music type of things. Some icons are not fully supported, like the DuckDuckGo or MIUI theme editor, but still you can see you will not feel anything difference here. Everything looks damn cool. Everything else is fine here. Let's talk about the settings. First of all, settings looks damn cool. The normal and simple clean minimalistic look is here, which looks good. And if you talk about the control center, in my case, control center is one of the main highlight of this theme. The control center looks very much interesting, and as you can see, all the tiles looks very cool, very interesting. And this is a theme you should definitely try it, or you should definitely check out. And other things are just same, nothing else. Now let's move on to our second theme in our list. Guys, the second theme in my list is kind of this, which has a blurry wallpaper everywhere. The icons look something interesting. Some icons look very cool, like the contacts icon, which looks very much interesting. The Mi video icon, the phone icon, screen recorder, scanner, the themes icon. These icons look very interesting. This is the default gradient wallpaper kind of a thing. If you talk about the quick settings, the notification control center, nothing else is there, no changes at all. But if we talk about this normal status bar icons, which looks very interesting, all other things are same like that, nothing else, no new changes here and there. If we talk about the settings, we have a little bit of changes, options, themes available here. I know that most of you guys don't like this theme, but the theme looks something cool if you want to customize your theme, because I like these icons. Icons in previous theme was good, but in this theme some icons are very much impressive. So in my case, I'll customize my theme for these kind of status bar icons and some icons from here. And the widget is actually overlooked, but still it's good and you can use this if you want to. Now let's move on to our last but not the least, the third theme in our list. If you're also the fan of white colors and white wallpapers like me, you will surely love this theme. You can see everywhere fully white, but the icons super impressive. The Magisk icon is there, the FM radio, gallery, all the icons looks very interesting. And if you talk about the home screen, this looks very cool. You can see the wallpaper here, this something is here, everything is white but looks very interesting. The widget is here, the status bar icons like the normal one, which looks very much cool. And if you talk about the settings, we don't get any theming option available here. These three themes which I just wanted to share with you are like, you can use all these themes and then you can customize the theme like if you want to. Like, you can choose the icons from here, you can choose apply the one theme, then you can customize your status bar icons, you can customize these icons, you can customize the wallpaper, everything else. If you want to customize these things, I just wanted to share with you. It has also no theming in control center or quick settings whatsoever, but the status bar and here the home screen look is very interesting and cool. These three themes I just wanted to share with you, so I hope you like all these themes. If you like it, download link is in the description how you can apply them. Simply open the MIUI theme editor option from Google Play Store, download this app from the Google Play Store, you'll get there easily. Actually what I have is, let me show you, I have enabled the one theme. I can simply go to the MIUI and theme. I've enabled this something unique option available. Click this one, click on OK. What you have to do is click on start option, click on next option, okay, click on finish, and everything is just done. What you have to do is click on install option. It will take some time to install. Click on OK, and now let's move on to the theme store. Once let me show you that we have the theme available in the theme store, which you can apply directly like this. As you can see, apply me written there. Click on apply and everything is just done. It was quite easy to apply third-party themes on your device. So if your device which does not support third-party themes, go and install these themes right away. This was all from today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.